Hello and welcome back to our channel Travel and Jobs. We hope you are doing great. Do you know that you can work, live and even get permanent residence in Canada without having any skills? Just by following the new program I will tell you in this video, which many people are using already. As of February 2023, more than 1,500 people have been admitted through the program in Ottawa province. Canada needs 30,000 new immigrants to fill jobs in its agric sector this 2023 through the Temporary Foreign Workers Program, TFW. So, in today's video, I will tell you all about the Canadian government announcement of wanting 30,000 new immigrants to fill jobs in their agricultural sector. So, to get everything, please hit the like and subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified when we publish new updates. Now, let's begin without further delay. Canada needs 30,000 permanent immigrants over the next decade to either start up their own farms or take over existing ones to address a looming labor crisis in the agricultural industry, says a new study. According to a Royal Bank of Canada RBC research, 40% of Canadian farm operators will retire in 2023, placing agriculture on the cusp of one of the biggest labor and leadership transition in the country's history. Over the same period, a shortfall of 24,000 general farm, nursery and greenhouse workers is expected to emerge, and in 10 years, 60% of today's farm operators will be over the age of 65, that is, close to retirement. Amongst all these, 66% of producers do not have a succession plan in place, leaving the future of farmland in doubt, the study said. Canada's agricultural sector is amongst the most diverse in the world, though the degree of demand for foreign workers differ significantly by province and operation. When it comes to more highly skilled farm operators, Canada has always welcomed them from India, the Netherlands, China, US, UK, and many other countries. However, in case of immigration of low-skilled laborers, better policies are needed because the Temporary Foreign Workers (TFW) program, which remains a critical source of low-skilled labor, is just a provisional solution to a chronic issue, the study said. Many of these TFWs who develop skills essential to sending and harvest must return to their home countries for short period, and if they are unable to return to Canada, the country's on-farm workforce is drastically reduced. RBC researchers said that a pathway to permanent residency for experienced TFWs will immediately address this type of shortage. Canada has started an agricultural-specific immigration pilot program in 2020 to give a path to permanent residency for non-seasonal workers with experience, which is set to end in May 2023, a CBC News report said. As of February 2023, more than 1,500 people have been admitted through the program in Ottawa province. A department spokesperson told CBC that they are addressing the pilot program and the possible extension beyond its scheduled expiry. The spokesperson added that giving migrants permanent residence is not the solution to labor shortages. This is all we prepared for you in this episode. Please do share your thoughts with us in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to be notified when we publish new updates. We will see you in our next